So, this is the fast zoom, or the silent zoom. And this is the break of structure. And after this, we drag it. And here we write break of structure. And here we correct it. I hope you are understanding. And here we have the trend line. And we can drag it. And as soon as the market will cross over it, then the market will follow. And here we write point of interest. And we can write auto block here. And this auto block is also made. And point of interest is also made. And guys, it is easy to come here. Because this is the last point. And it will come easily here. So, I hope you will earn good profit from this. So, if the market will cross over it, then the market will definitely buy. Because this is the last point. And we can expect that the sell will come from here. Because I have already made this analysis. And I have already shared this with my paid clients. And my paid clients are in good profit. So, if you want to bring trade profit before the market sell, then you can join our paid VIP room. And I hope you will earn good profit from this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.